All right, on this problem, we're trying to find the number of cans that Luke collected was what fraction of the total number of cans of John, Karen, and Luke. So we're trying to find this ratio. We're trying to find Luke over Luke plus John plus Karen. And let's just read the problem. And the person that we do not know anything about how many cans they collected, I'm going to make that X. So the number of cans that John collected was the number of cans that John collected was 1/2 the number of cans that Karen collected. So I don't know anything about Karen. I mean, I could turn her around and know something about it, but I'm going to make her X, and then John would be 1/2 X. And then also, John collected 1/3 the number of cans that Luke collected. So I need to know about Luke. And I can interpret that if John collected 1/3 the number of Luke's, that means Luke was 3 times the number of cans for John. So take 3 and multiply that times John's number of cans, which is 1/2 X. And that's 3/2 X. So let's find the total. X plus 1/2 X plus 3/2 X. So you can add that in your head. 1.5 plus 1/2, I'm going this way. 3/2 plus 1/2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's 3X for a total. So here's 3X for the total. And I'm finding number of cans that Luke collected. Luke is 3/2 X. And you can change this to 3/2 X divided by 3X and then multiply by the reciprocal. I like complex fractions. What makes this complex is the 2. So multiply top and bottom by 2. So 2 times 3/2 X. The 2's cancel and you're left with 3X. And now find this multiplication here, this product. 3X times 2 is 6X. So the X's cancel and you're left with 1/2. And 1/2 is answer D.